This is Willow Springs, the perfect stage for the ultimate raw power matchup, an old school versus the new school. Stay tuned, this can get ugly. On this episode of Head to Head, it's a Superformance Daytona Coupe against a Viper GTS. This full throttle showdown is brought to you by Royal Purple. Automotive legend Carroll Shelby was involved in the development of both of these class-winning Le Mans beasts. Not only do they have similar profiles, but we've even matched colors on this episode. Let's look at the specs. The Viper's Godzilla-like 8-liter V10 has 450 horsepower and 490 foot-pounds of torque. But that's still short of the Daytona's Keith Craft 427. This Daytona Coupe was designed by Peter Brock himself and weighs in at 3,000 pounds, over 400 less than the Viper GTS. Enough of my jabber, now let's hear what the owners think.
The Dodge Viper's got a ton of raw power and great handling, great brakes. You can go into corners at 90 miles an hour, pitch the wheel and just stick to the track and go right on around people, so it's a lot of fun. I'm going to beat them, hands down. There's no two ways about it.
The engine that's in it was built by Keith Craft in Arkansas, Keith Craft Racing, and it's a pretty torquey motor. It puts out 609 pound-feet of torque and 580 horsepower. The whole thing about the car is just elegant on the outside and nasty on the inside. The Viper can't keep up. It's too big, too heavy. It's everything a race car shouldn't be.
Samuel Hubinet is a two-time Formula Drift champ, factory test driver, and Hollywood stunt driver. The crazy Swede drives him like he's chased by the Stockholm PD. On the track, he's gonna push him to the limits. Coming up, Sammy hits Willow Springs crazy Swede style. Tire smoke? Check. Roaring engines? Check. Automotive showdown? Check. Right back after this word from our sponsor.